Guys, we're making an awesome chocolate chip tiramisu pancake stack with an amazing Cafe Toledo for Mother's Day. We're gonna start off with the Bisquick pancake mix. Super easy to go, no need to make your own pancake mix. This is kind of doctored up anyway. I'm gonna make a double batch of this because I'm making so many pancake stacks today. Are you filming? Whisking it up really fast. Now for your pancake batter, just giving it a quick whisk. For your pancake batter, it can still have a couple lumps in it. That's totally fine. You don't have to whip it all the way out. This one, it's a little bit extra milk in it. I want my pancakes to be runnier. I don't want them to be thick, fluffy pancakes. I want them to be somewhere between like a heavy crepe and a thin pancake. We're gonna mix together our mascarpone cream. Just gonna scoop this in a bowl. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna whip the heavy cream and the mascarpone together with vanilla, sugar, and cinnamon. Kind of like a whipped cream, just a really light, fluffy whip. No eggs, no cooking, nothing. Teaspoon of vanilla. We're just gonna do a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna finish it off with adding our sugar. We're just gonna start off really slow to incorporate everything. Once it's mixed together, I'm gonna turn it up because you want it to be a fluffy, airy whip. All right, so this is like an old restaurant fun thing. When you're making a whipped cream or a whip, how to tell if it's done. Everybody's like, how do you tell if it's done? Well, when it's done, you should be able to do this. It's done. Here are the hot pancakes. We want to just kind of break them up. So we're just gonna let them sit for a bit while they cool off. It's the best office, yeah. Office is the best. What we're gonna do to build them is you wanna make sure that the stack is gonna be even. Should all be similar size, but you want the bigger ones on the bottom to create a sense of depth as it's going up. So I know it's gonna be in that order, so we're just gonna take it off like this, and then we're gonna take our whip, and this is super simple. Just layer it like a cake. Next few layers toward the top, what we're gonna do is I have espresso and Kahlua mixed in this little drizzle, 50-50. And I'm just gonna put it on top, but not so much where it rolls off. And then another layer. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slide my spatula under, move it to my plate, a little chocolate drizzle. And this is a dark chocolate just because this is already sweet, so I don't wanna add too much more sugar to it. I'm gonna add a little bit of cocoa powder and give it a little tap. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, pancake stack's done. Let's quickly knock out this amazing drink for Mother's Day. It's kind of a take on a Cafe Toledo. We're gonna make it just in a super simple glass. We're gonna take some of our chocolate syrup and we're just gonna angle our glass like so. And while we're rotating our glass, drizzle the syrup. This is just gonna give it a cool little texture coat on the inside. We're gonna go with 1 ounce of Kahlua. You can do it a little bit less if you want. 1 ounce of Bailey's Irish Cream. Then I have a really nice strong coffee here with some espresso in it too. We're gonna fill that up, 5 ounces. Little bit of chocolate syrup, about 1/2 ounce, not much, just like that. No ice inside, just like this. Let that sit for a second. Grab some ice. Throw the ice in our drink glass. Then we're gonna pour it right over the ice. We're gonna put a little dollop right on top, maybe a little bit of chocolate drizzle, just a tiny bit of cocoa powder. And that's our Cafe Toledo for Mother's Day. Super amazing, pairs perfectly with the pancakes. I don't even know how to taste test this. Is it viable to just, can I just do this? Is that? That tastes just like tiramisu. So, it's fluffy. It's so light and fluffy, it's not heavy. I think I would get that. I would get that more than once. That's really good. Look at that. It looks like a cake. Cheers.